Immobiliser fit, and this is a 2023 BMW M4 protected with a Halo Mini immobiliser. The thief got the key, started the vehicle up and went to pop it into gear to drive away. It cuts out instantly. So for the customer, it's nice and simple. They'll start the car, pop a code in. Before they drive off, they receive the flash and then they can pop it into gear and drive away. This system becomes active when you open the door. So if someone tried to grab your keys off you when you got out of the vehicle, they're not going anywhere without your code. If the customers to change the code on this, what they do, keep the foot off the brake. You have to triple tap the start button, so 1, 2, 3, gets the ignition on. You first prove it's you with your code. Now we've got our flash, it knows it's us, put our foot to the floor 10 times in the accelerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Double flash from the full beam, and now we can set a new code. So we'll set up, up, down, down. Turn the ignition off. One flash, the code's now learned. So we'll make sure it's active. We start it up, pop our old code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, we get no flash, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, receive our flash, and we can drive away. The vehicle goes into gear and we're good to go. If you're taking it for a service, what you'll do, once again, foot off the brake on this, triple tap 1, 2, 3 on the start button to get the ignition on. Then you'll pop your code in and you'll hold on the last press. So you see we've got one flash to disarm. If we keep it held, keep the button down until we get 5 flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This now becomes a normal vehicle. So we turn it off, open the door, the system doesn't activate, and it will start up and go into gear just like a normal vehicle. And BMW will be able to service it, road test it. As long as it's in service mode, it's a normal vehicle. When you get it home, you just need to turn it back on. So foot off the pedals, triple tap, pop your code in and hold the last button just like last time. The only difference is we're just going to get one flash now. So we keep it held till we get that flash. Keep the button down, we've got our one flash. We can now turn the vehicle off. You'll know it's active because when you get out you get your 2 flash confirmation, and your vehicle's going to need the code again before it drives off. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive our flash and we can drive away. Our number's 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Halo Mini on a 2023 BMW M4. Thanks for watching.